Let me ask you an important question. Are you sick and tired of trying to make money with affiliate marketing and having nothing to show for? Are you sick and tired of watching videos of gurus that keep selling their courses but you're not getting any value? Are you sick and tired of having people recommend you a paid product that you have to buy first before you make any money with affiliate marketing? If the answer is yes to all of the above, then you've come to the right place, because in this video, I'm going to be showing you a method where you can make money with affiliate marketing without having a website, without having a landing page, without buying expensive programs or apps. This is going to be a 100% free method where you do not need to buy anything. And so all you have to do is follow the exact instructions that I'm going to be talking about in this video. And once you do that, you will be able to make money with affiliate marketing without spending any money. And later in the video, I'm also going to be talking about the free traffic method that you can use to promote your affiliate marketing offers that I'm going to be covering in this video. And so let's get into the method. And so in today's video, I'm going to be showing you a very cool method for promoting all kinds of affiliate marketing offers. It doesn't really matter what kind of niche we're talking about. Could be absolutely any niche. It doesn't really matter if it's ClickBank or Max Bounty or CPA. You will be promoting offers without those networks. And so you do not have an excuse. Everybody can participate. This method is available worldwide. And so everybody can take advantage of this method. All right, so the first thing that you want to do is you want to Google for something like this. So I have here a simple search, best hosting affiliate programs. And the angle we're going to be going for is we're going to be reaching entrepreneurs. We're going to be reaching people that are interested in starting a business. Now, before I continue further, this method is going to work with absolutely any niche. It doesn't really matter. So if you want to do weight loss, fitness, you can do that as well. It's just in this video, I'm going to be talking about entrepreneurship, but you can use the exact same thing that I'm talking about here and promote any kind of niche that you want. All right, so once I enter the search query, we have various results. And what I'm looking for is I'm looking for a beefy result. I'm not looking for 10. 10 is a little bit too much. I'm looking for 22 best affiliate hosting programs. That is a cool result. 22 is a good number. And so I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to open this article. And this is what the article looks like. And so the next thing that you want to do is you want to go to Google Sheets and create a brand new spreadsheet. The next thing that you have to do before you go any further is you have to go to the Chrome web store and install this free plugin called Scraper. And this is a plugin I use all the time. It's one of the easiest to use. It makes a lot of data handling really easy. And so once you have this plugin, you can refresh this web page here. And what you can do is you want to go out and you want to get these fields. So for instance, we have the name of the program, we have the description, we have a link as well. So what you want to do is you want to right click on this and you want to click on scrape similar. Okay, once you do that, you're going to have a list of all these affiliate programs. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to do copy to clipboard here. I'm going to close this. I'm going to go back to my Google Sheet and I'm going to paste it here. Okay, so now that I pasted it, as you can see, there are two columns here. And so the first one is the name of the program. I'm just going to call it name. And this is the URL. And so the idea is this is going to be your affiliate URL. So you have to go to each one of these programs and sign up for their affiliate program. You can click on these links. But once you sign up, you want these links to be your affiliate links. You're not going to have these sign up links because as it is right now, this is targeted to affiliates, just like me and you. But you want this to be targeted to users. So you need to actually sign up for the affiliate program. And you want to actually put that link in there. Now, there's a couple of other things you want to do. I would recommend creating another column here that I have here by right-clicking. And you want to have a little bit of a description here because it's just not enough to have the name. And so I'm going to make this bold and you want to have a description. So for instance, WP Engine, all you have to do is visit the website. It's very simple. Let me show you how this works. All you have to do is visit the website, go to WP Engine here. I'm gonna click on it, and you want to just see what they say. So this is what they say. I'm just gonna copy this. You can paraphrase it all you want. There you go. I copied it, and now we have this here. I can even copy this here, and you want to do that for all of them, because you can't really promote something when it has a name. You need a description, you need a benefit. You're gonna do the same thing for Kinsta. So I'm gonna go to Kinsta's website here. I'm gonna go in here, and I'm going to copy their headline and description as well. I'm gonna go back, I'm gonna paste it here. In fact, I'm gonna paste it so it's nicely formatted. I'm gonna copy this. I'm gonna put a new sentence here, and now we have a description for 2 items. Very, very simple. It took me 2 seconds to do. And so the idea is that you want to have 3 columns in this specific sheet. This is the first sheet. The next thing you want to do is you want to add another sheet. So I'm going to press the plus sign here, and I'm going to create another sheet. Next, you want to go on Google and you want to type entrepreneur motivational quotes, okay? And what you're looking for is at least 25 quotes. You're going to have various results. And so here we have 30 inspirational entrepreneur quotes. I have 51 here. So I opened this article here, and we have a lot of quotes, okay? We have entrepreneur quotes. We have 1, 2, we have all 50 of them. And what you want to do is you want to right-click on it, and you want to click on Scrape Similar. And right away, we capture all of these quotes. We want to copy to clipboard. We want to close this. We want to go back to our Google Sheet. And this is the second sheet. And we want to paste it, okay? The first column is text. We're going to change it to quote. And that is all we have. We don't really need anything else. I mean, you can, as you see throughout the method, as you will see a little bit later, there are ways to modify it, to change it around. But for the purpose of this tutorial, for the purpose of this video, this is enough. And so right now we have 2 sheets here. We have this one here with name, description, URL. This is, remember guys, this is going to be your affiliate URL, okay? It's not going to be this URL. This is to sign up for the affiliate program. You're going to have your affiliate link. So I'm even going to put affiliate link so it's not confusing. Affiliate link. Okay, and so this is the first one. This is the second. I'm actually going to put this first. And so now we have 2 sets of data, okay? And this is very important you understand this. This first sheet is about value. It's about, quotes, data, information, how-tos. It's about value. The second thing is getting them to sign up for an affiliate program. This is how affiliate marketing works. You give them value, and then you tell them, hey, if you want to go further, if you want to sign up, this is what you do. This is at the core of affiliate marketing. This is how it works. And so this is what we have so far. We have 2 examples. We have value here, and we have our affiliate programs here. Now, the next thing that you want to do is you want to go to this website called Adalo. It's Adalo. You're going to come here. You're going to sign up. They have a generous free plan. You do not have to pay anything. Now, Adalo is one of the best ways to create mobile apps. It's a really, really intuitive system. And what we're going to be doing is we're going to be creating a mobile apps for entrepreneurs. It's going to be a free app. You can also install it in the iOS store and the Google store. But in this video, I'm going to be showing you how they can install it directly from this website. And so this is the easiest way to create both Android and iOS apps. Makes it really, really simple. And so once you log in, and so before you even log in and create an account, take a look at all these templates that you can do. You have all kinds of apps. You can create a coaching app, ordering real estate app, product hunt clone, minimal blog app, all of these amazing apps. And it's really, really simple to do. And you can do it in any kind of niche, in any kind of situation. It's going to increase the user experience by a lot. And towards the end of the video, I'm going to be showing you how you can go out and start promoting this app to the right audience for free, 100% free. And so once you log in, you create your free account, you're going to be on a screen that looks something like this. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to create a really quick app using the data that we have. And it's super, super easy to do. We're going to create a native mobile app. You can also create a desktop web app if you want. So the next thing is that you can choose to create a template. I am not gonna create a template. I'm gonna start from a blank page. We're gonna call this app Entrepreneur Hustle. You can call it what you want. I'm gonna click create. And this is just gonna take a few minutes. It's super, super easy. It's an amazing app. And once you do it, you're gonna have a screen of different, you're gonna have a display of different screens. It has the sign up, login. We're gonna delete these screens because we do not need that. We do not care about authentication. And what we are left with is this screen right here. This is the home screen. And what are they gonna see on the home screen? They're gonna see the entrepreneur quotes. They're gonna see the quotes. Now, before we're gonna show them the quotes, we also wanna have a tab bar on the bottom. So what you wanna do is you wanna choose this app. You wanna go here and you wanna add a new component. So we're gonna add a new component. This is gonna be a navigation. We're gonna add a tab bar and we are gonna put it here. And the idea is they're gonna have a home screen with the quotes. We're gonna call this home. This is gonna be the home screen. They also gonna have the search screen if they want. And then they are gonna have the next step. And this is where they're gonna sign up for various affiliate programs. Now, all of this is really, really easy to do. It's not very complicated. So if I go to the first tab, I have it home. I'm gonna call it quotes. Or maybe, quotes is good. I wanted to say inspirational quotes, but quotes is good. This is gonna be a search tab, so they'll be able to search various quotes. And this tab is gonna be the start tab. This is where they can go out and they can sign up with a program and start building their website. So now we have 3 tabs here, and we're gonna disable these 4th and 5th tabs. We do not need them. I'm gonna disable them. And now we have 3 tabs, okay? And so the first thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put in the quotes here just to show you how it looks like. I'm gonna go back. I'm gonna go to all screens. I'm gonna click the plus button, and I'm gonna select this simple list, and I'm gonna drag it here. Very, very simple. And I may center it. Maybe I want to display it here. It doesn't really matter. And the simple list is going to be displaying the quotes. So this list right here, this is how it's going to look like. It's going to have a title. It's going to have a subtitle. No, actually, it doesn't even need a subtitle, actually. Just the title. It's not going to have a left section, but it will have a right section. On the right section, they can go and they can learn more about the quote. And then they can possibly take the first action and start a business once they're motivated by these motivational quotes. And that is very important. Now, the start here, so we have the first, second, and third. We're going to go on the third tab, and this tab is going to have the various offers that they can sign up for. So when they click on the start tab, it's going to go out, and it's actually going to go to a new screen. We're going to have a new screen. This is also going to be a list. We're going to go here. It's going to be a simple list. And we are going to call this start, something like this. We can change that always. And so now you have a basic app that's almost done. It's going to be very simple. So we're going to click on this right here. We're going to select this. We are going to go here, and we're going to go to the title. We have the title. We have the subtitle. We may need the subtitle for this. The left section we're going to disable because we do not want it. And actually, let's rename this from start. I'm going to rename it to actually website hosting, or build a website. Something like this. You can call it what you want. And so the next thing that you want to do is you want to go to the database part. And it's really, really easy. And you want to click on add collection. And the first collection we're going to be adding is going to be quotes. We're going to say quotes. We're going to click add. Then we're going to add a new collection, and this is going to be websites. And this is, or hosting. Let's just call it hosting. And we're going to click add. Now for the quotes, you want to click on this, and you want to add properties. So remember, look at our sheet here. We have this quotes. We have just one property. We only have one property, which is the quote and sell. We're going to go back to the app, and we are going to have the name property. That's it. Now for the hosting, we have 3 properties. Okay, so if we go to hosting here, we're going to add a new property. This is going to be text. We're going to call it description. And then we're going to add another property, and this is going to be a text also, and this is going to be a URL. This is the affiliate link. I'm just going to call it URL. And so this property is called description. I'm going to hit save. And now we have no records, but we have name, description, URL with created and updated. And so what you want to do is, the first thing, we're going to work with quotes. We're going to go to quotes, and we're going to click on 0 records they have. And you see this import CSV. We're going to go to Google Sheets. And what we're going to do, we're going to say file. We're going to say download as a comma separated values current sheets. We are going to do that. It's going to save to my computer. I'm going to go back to this app, and I'm going to click on import CSV. I'm going to drag and drop this here. And right away, we have the quote, and this is name, and that's it. We have one column and one property. I'm going to click on import data, and it imported successfully. And now we have all of these quotes here. I'm going to click on done, and I am going to make sure those quotes start displaying properly. And so what I want to do is I want to click on this list. I want to go to simple list. It says, what is this a list of? I'm going to pick quotes. And right away, we have quote name and everything chosen for us. If I scroll down, I have the title, and it's automatically filled in to the name of the field. So if I click on this, there's a name here, and it's the same thing as the quote name. And so if I do preview, I will see that we have our quotes here. And so what we want to do is we want them to click on this, and we want them to show the entire quote. And I'm going to show you how simple it is. Very, very easy. And so what we're going to do here, you see this, if we click on this, there's a right section, and it has that plus sign, and this is kind of that read more. And you can also click on this, and you can pick another icon, and you can kind of decide what kind of icon you want. I like that plus sign. It's a cool icon. We're going to add an auction. We're going to add an action. We're going to go to link. We're going to say new screen, and we are going to go to info, and we are going to select this info screen here. We're going to create the screen, and this screen is going to show the entire quote, because a lot of these quotes are very long. They are not easily visible. So I'm going to click on this. I'm going to click on this right here, and I'm going to go into current quote and name. So there's one thing we need to do before we preview this app. We need to delete all of this here, because this is just text. This is just text that was there before. We don't need it. We need the quote name here. So if I click on preview, I'm going to have an app that's working perfectly. So I'm going to click on plus. We have a quote. And this button is going to lead them to start a website. Okay, so this button is going to be called build a website or start a business. I'm just going to call it start a business. I'm going to click here. I'm going to say start a business. That's it. And this is kind of that call to action. Okay, we're going to say start. And once I do that, I'm going to expand it a little bit more. And I'm going to remove that X. We don't really need it. That's all we have. I can also change the color. I can change. I'm just going to call it button 1. And this button is going to have an action that's going to lead them to the it's going to be a link to build a website screen. It's going to be here. And once we import all the data, this app is pretty much done. So this is how the app looks like right now. We have the quotes. We have the quotes here. We have the quote detail. We have start a business. The only thing that we need is we need to get the actual affiliate offers on this app as well. And so I'm going to click on this. I'm going to say, what is this a list of? I'm going to say hosting. Okay, and now we need to import our data. So I'm going to go back to Google Sheets. I'm going to go in here. We're going to fill all of this out. So I'm just going to copy it all the way down. And you have to fill this out, obviously. You're going to go into File. You're going to go to Download, comma separated values. It's going to save it to your computer. You're going to go back here. You're going to go back to the app here. And you're going to go to Database. It has the hosting here. You're going to pick the new records. You're going to import CSV, drag and drop that new file, and it matches the categories. Name is matched to name, description to description, affiliate link to URL. We are going to import our data, and we are done. Okay, we are done. Look at this. All this data is imported. We're going to say done. And now we have 21 records here, and 51 records for the quotes, and 21 records for the hosting. We just need to configure it correctly. So This is a list of hosting. We're going to scroll down. We're going to go to the title. Title is the hosting name, which is the name here, hosting name, the name of the affiliate offer. And the subtitle is going to be the description. So I'm going to go in here. This is going to be the description. I'm going to delete this. And then we're going to have a button. So when they click on it, they're going to go and they can sign up for this specific offer. Very, very cool. So we're going to also have a right section. And the right section is going to be, so we can actually delete this. And we can choose an icon. So this could be something like maybe $. There's no money. Yeah, something like this. We can click on this. And then they can click on it and they can sign up for the program. Very, very simple. And so the click action, what is the click action? It's going to be a link to a website. We're going to click on this and we're going to choose URL and we are done. And the app is almost done. So we can preview it here and take a look at this amazing, amazing app. We have all of these quotes. I'm going to call this, instead of home, I'm going to rename this to motivational quotes, okay? I just think it looks much better. So I'm just going to say motivational quotes we have here. And I'm going to rename this as well. We're going to say motivational quotes. Okay, we have our quotes. This is going to be renamed as well. The title is going to be motivational quote. Okay, it's going to be here. And the title for this one is going to be websites or something like this. You can call it what you want. And now we are almost done. We don't really need this here. This is an action button. We can delete it. And let's preview our app. Let's see what it looks like. And so if we preview it, we have our motivational quotes. We can click on this quote here and we can go to start a business. If we click on start a business, it goes to our best hosting companies and it has this whole list here. And then if I click on this, it's going to open the URL and I'm redirected to the specific offer. Okay. Honestly, a much better approach would be when they click on it, it's going to go to another screen just like we had before, where we can create another experience for them. But it's really up to you how you want to do it. You can click on this. You can also make sure that when they click on this, so right now it clicks on this, but we can also say if it clicks on the main title. So we're going to go down. We're going to add an action here. This is going to be a link website. We're going to go to website, click on this, and this is a URL. And so now if we preview it, it's going to work even better. So if we go here to start, it loads all of this. We can click on this directly, and it's going to open a link to our affiliate offer. And so the other thing about it, search, I'm just going to delete the search. I don't really think it makes a lot of sense because my understanding is they're going to be looking at these motivational offers. They're not going to be really searching for it. And so I'm going to delete this thing. I don't think it's really it really makes a lot of sense. I'm going to go to the tab bar here and I'm going to disable the second search bar. And then we have quotes and we have start. So I'm going to say for the third tab, I'm just going to call it build a business. I'm going to do that. Now you see it says build a business or start a business. Let's keep it consistent. Start a business here, quotes, start a business, and here is the name, start a business, and this is it. So let's preview our finished app that took us like 5 to 10 minutes to do. We are done. We have our quotes. We can click on this. We can click on this. We have the whole quote here. We can scroll around. We can click on the plus sign, start a business. Actually, I'm going to fix it up. I want it when they click on the quote here to go directly. So this is going to be the link. And now it goes to the detail page. So if you preview it, no matter where you click on it, it's going to go to the detail page. So if I click on this detail page, we can click on start a business, best hosting companies. They can click on it and it's going to get redirected to the site. And now this is just the beginning. There's so many things that you can do. And later on, if you want, you can also build this app. You can submit it to the iOS store. They have a screen for that. You can do all that. But right now, what you can do is you can share this. Look, you can share this. And this is Entrepreneur Hustle, motivational quotes. And the way you want to market this app is purely motivational quotes. You do not want to market it as an app that, has best hosting companies. You want to just market the value. Okay, it's really up to the visitor, up to the user, whether they want to actually go forward and actually sign up for a hosting account. That's really up to them. You always want to market as value, motivational quotes. So where can you promote it? Well, let me show you a couple of places you can promote. You can go on Facebook and you can type business groups, Business Insider, motivational quotes. You can do that, motivational quotes, and you can promote your app there. You can say, hey, I just built an app. It has motivational business quotes. It has 50 quotes or 100 quotes that you can use if you're interested in starting a business. Motivational quotes. You can also put something like make money online, and you can find groups like that. So if I type make money online, I have all of these different groups that it has to do with making money online, where I can promote that kind of offer. All of this, 100,000 members, 345,000, 82. And because you're coming across as very innocent and under the radar, people are not going to feel that you are just going out to promote stuff and to make money. You're just giving away a free app that has to do with motivational quotes that you build, or whatever other things. It could be tips, business advice, business hints, motivational quotes, anything like that. If you use the same method that I talked about in the beginning of the video, you can create an app for that as well. And then you can do that here. And then all you have to do is go in here. You can share this app here. They can install it. You can just, click on share here. You can copy link, send the link via SMS. You can also obviously install it in the particular stores if you'd like. But in my opinion, this is a simple way to do it. And now you have an app that they can use. They can scan it and they can start using. They have quotes. There's so many things that they can do. And this is just the beginning. You can Google for all kinds of businesses, online business communities, and say, hey, would you like a free app about motivational quotes from top business executives, top CEOs? And they're going to start using it. And then when they're ready to start a business, guess what? We're going to get a commission because they're going to click on our affiliate link. And remember, guys, the offers that we are talking about, we're getting a lot of commissions. 200 per sale, 10% recurring, 65 to 125 per sale, 65 per sale. These are not, very, very small commissions. These are heavy commissions that you're going to be making. So in my opinion, it's definitely worth it to build this kind of app in order to get all these serious commissions. Look at this, 150, 250 per sale, 300%, 35% for sale, things like that. Now, obviously, this is a very, very flexible method. You can take it as far as you want to. It's really up to you. And maybe in the future, I'm going to be making more videos with a more involved method of promoting a different niche. So if you want me to promote a specific niche, let me know in the comments below, and I will make a video having to do with that specific niche. And so this is the method that I wanted to show you guys today. I really, really hope you enjoyed it. Let me know in the comments below what you thought about this method. If you learned something new, if you never have seen this kind of method before, or you believe that you have to pay for tools, that there are no free tools that you can use, smash the like button, leave a comment below, let me know that you like this video, and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. This channel is all about affiliate marketing using freely available tools without spending money. Affiliate CPA marketing all day, every day. All right, guys. So thank you so much for watching this video, and I will see you in the next one.